We recommend these 7 steps. 1. Trial it out. Once you've had your business analysed, you've been shown the savings you could make and the corporate objectives you could exceed. Your chosen consultant has mapped out how quickly you can realise this benefit. A proof of concept is the next step. Try out the technology with a demonstration, a quick build of a basic automated process or task to answer these questions. A. Does it work on our software? B. Does it work on our business processes? C. Does it work with our IT restrictions and infrastructure, for example, teams that use Citrix? This is a good time to get IT involved, not heavily, but as a support stakeholder. 2. Awareness. This is the time to get buy-in from key stakeholders, directors and heads of department. Show them how powerful and straightforward this technology is in helping them meet their financial and non-financial objectives. A. The technology partner, consultant, can demonstrate to these stakeholders how the technology works, how it interacts with the proof of concept, and show the opportunity landscape that awaits for the company or the department. B. Your team, probably a mix of in-house staff and consulting experts, hold Q&A sessions, workshops and lunch and learn sessions, like Build a Bot, to get teams excited over what is to come. C. We recommend that a SharePoint site is set up, with content that staff can watch or read to prepare them for change, on the basis that if you're involved in it, it's harder to resist. This way, your core team can control the message, squash myths and rumours, and address concerns head-on, before time is wasted and staff fears are rampant. 3. Pilot Wave. The data-backed strategic plan should guide the business to identify the best handful of projects for the first wave of automation. This is done by gathering high-level data for different departments, then zooming in to the best department to gather data for the different teams. The data could come from workshops, discovery sessions with business area management, or extracting data from business systems. We use our process discovery software partners to mine data automatically. This takes a matter of days. This scientific approach enables you to prioritize your opportunities in 2 ways: congruence with company objectives and return on investment. This method will identify the quickest, easiest and most profitable processes and help you and your business decide on the best pilot projects to kickstart your company's automation plan. With this method, you'll complete your first automation project in weeks, not months. You'll be able to measure how they've helped teams and departments achieve or exceed their objectives, and you will have real-life use cases in your business that can be used to generate more excitement in the company, and a great success story about your business. 4. Hiring an expert team. If you've not hired experts yet, now that you have a data-backed reason for choosing your pilot projects, an expert team with analysts, consultants, developers and solutions architects can help in getting the project off the ground. However, A. It's important to hire a consultant who will transfer their knowledge to your team, with a training plan as well as on-the-job training. B. You need to plan for an independent in-house team. Your consultant partner should help you to develop an operating system that is tailored to your business. 5. Discovery sessions. When you've identified the best department and team to target for automation, if you have a big enough team, it's good practice to run workshops and interviews with staff and managers to understand their pain points and the technical roadblocks they're experiencing. Data can also be gathered at these sessions. This could be done at the same time as the pilot project, and we'll discover further details about processes and difficulties that can be resolved with automation. And success will breed success. I recall the massive boost in morale that came from a project that took a few weeks to implement, but had the whole operations team buzzing. A mind-numbing, frustrating process was automated, and the staff involved were openly grateful. They'd complained about the rigidity of a system that required them to process hundreds of invoices before 2 p.m. Someone from my team overheard the process owner praising the simplicity of the implementation and expressing his relief.